Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna share with you how to create a gradient text in Davinci Resolve. Let's check it out. Alright, so in Davinci Resolve right now on the edit page, and I'm gonna share with you how to create a text gradient in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, you're gonna go here over to Effect, you're gonna go down to Title, and here you're gonna bring in your timeline a text plus. So now we're just gonna rename it to whatever we want. So here Davinci Resolve, for example. I'm gonna change the font to Montserrat because it's a font that I usually like to use, and we're gonna put it in bold so we see properly the text. Now, as you can see here, I can change the color. I can change the color to red if I want, but you cannot change the gradient right here in this first text page in the inspector. You will need to go over to shading in order to add a gradient. So here down to property, you have type, you have solid, and you can switch it for gradient. And here now you have that shading gradient line where you can add a couple of other points where you can change the colors. So here, for example, we're gonna make a red and purple gradient. So we're gonna select the red for this color, then we can select the second point and we can change the color for purple right here. And here we have a nice gradient text. Now you have a couple of different mapping options. So first off, I'm just gonna reduce the mapping size to the minimum to show you what I mean. So here, as you can see, there is a line dividing the two colors of our gradient, the red and the purple. Basically, the mapping size is the amount of feathering between those two colors, the amount of distance between the 2 points of this color. So here, as you can see, there is no distance. So basically we have a straight line, a solid line, but we can just here push it to the maximum, and now the color blend in quite a lot because they are quite far from each other, and they are blending, and we have basically a lot of feathering. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see properly. As you can see, at 0 we have a straight line, and if we bring it to the maximum at 2, here the two colors blend together. But if we're having something in between, we still have the two colors, but here you have a nice gradient, a nice feathering between the two colors. So the map size is basically managing that space and the blending between the two colors. Now I'm gonna bring it to 0 to show you the mapping angle, which is basically the angle of the gradient. So here you can just twist it, and here you will switch the angle of that gradient. So right now I'm gonna do like a 45 degree angle kind of thing. I'm gonna just de-zoom so we can see the entirety of the title. And now we have mapping level, which is basically different option for how the gradient gonna fill your text. So here you have character, which is basically filling each letter individually. Then you can have word. So now your gradient gonna affect word by word. And now we also have line, which basically gonna cut across your text, no matter if that's just a small text like this or a paragraph, it's just gonna cut the text in two. Now you have also text, which is pretty similar, and full image, which is pretty similar as well. Right now I'm gonna select character because I think it looks quite interesting, and now I'm just gonna raise the mapping size a little bit. And we have now a nice gradient that go across each letter, and we could now change it from filling to outline, and we have a gradient with an outline text. What I just demonstrated is valid both in the edit page, but also if you go to the Fusion page because you want to create your animation there. It's also the case right here in every text node. Right now it's a template from the edit page, but it's also valid here in every text node. If you go down to shading in properties, you have access to the exact same thing right here. And that's how you create a gradient text in Davinci Resolve. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye! Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates, but only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack containing a compilation of 20 titles curated from our library. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.